Magandang araw sa lahat. I will just quickly discuss the differences among the following vocabulary words. Marunong, magaling, matuto, kaya. First word, marunong. We, Tagalog native speakers, use this word in the context of good at something or know something. Example, marunong akong magluto ng adobong manok. This sentence could be translated either of the following. I'm good at cooking chicken adobo, or I know how to cook chicken adobo. Another example, marunong akong magsalita ng wikang Tagalog. This sentence, again, could be translated either I'm good at speaking Tagalog or I know how to speak Tagalog. Next word, magaling. We use this word if we want to express that we are good at something or know something on an expert level. Example, magaling akong magluto ng chicken adobo. In English, I'm great at cooking chicken adobo. As you can see, if we use magaling instead of marunong, we mean to say that we are referring to great. Example in this sentence, you are not just referring to a good cook, but a great cook. Another example, magaling akong magsalita ng wikang Tagalog. In English, I'm great at speaking Tagalog language. Here, you are not just referring to a good Tagalog speaker, but a great Tagalog speaker. Next word is the word kaya. Kaya literally translate can. But this word could also be used in the context of know or good at. Example, you want to express I can speak Tagalog. In Tagalog, we express it this way. Kaya ko magsalita ng Tagalog. However, this sentence could also produce the meaning of I know how to speak Tagalog or I'm good at speaking Tagalog. Another example, kaya ko magmaneho ng kotse. In English, it literally translates, I can drive a car. This sentence could also produce the meaning of, I know how to drive a car or I'm good at driving a car. Lastly, the word matuto. Matuto comes from the root word tuto, which literally translates learn. In this context, matuto means to learn or learn. Let's use it in a sentence. Let's say you want to express, I want to learn Tagalog language. In Tagalog, we say it this way. Gusto ko matuto ng wikang Tagalog. Another example, magbasa ka araw-araw para matuto ka magsalita ng Tagalog. In English, read every day so that you will learn how to speak Tagalog. That's it. I hope you learned something from this lesson. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below. What is your biggest takeaway? And make sure to subscribe and click the bell button to see the future videos. Salamat po!